Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you're doing fabulous today. Big up, big up, big up. Today's video is sponsored by RPGSHOW and they sent me over one of their new wigs, so I'm excited to test it out and see what it's looking like. But first, these are the little goodies that I got in the package. And before we get into it, guys, remember, leave a like on the video, and if you're not already subscribed, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. So now let's get into this wig, guys. This is their shoulder length middle part wavy bob. It's like a copper brown ombre color, which is a very beautiful. It's a lace front wig, and this is called their Dainty 003. It's a glueless wig and it features their new invisible knots and real scalp, which you will see more of shortly. And it has an upgraded pre-plug hairline for you. It's a 13x6 wig, so you can part it whichever way you like. This is 200% density, guys. So let's get into the installation of the wig. I love how bouncy it is and the natural curls coming straight from the box. It's so beautiful. Guys, I'm going to be leaving the link to this wig in the description of the video, so go ahead and check it out. Plus, June is RPGSHOW's anniversary month, so they'll be having lots of sales going on this month, so go ahead and check that out as well. And of course, guys, you can part the hair any which way you want. It's free parting because it's a 13x6, but I'm going to stick to the center part that came with this wig. I'm just using my wax stick and my hot comb to lay everything back because I'm going to be using some hairspray to lay this down. As I'm working with this wig, guys, I really love the upgraded hairline on their wigs. This is looking like it's coming straight from my scalp. The lace itself is thin, it's breathable, and I can see that transition in the hairline, so it has a very realistic look. What I'm going to do is to go ahead and use some hairspray on top of the lace, dry that down with my blow dryer, and then I will go ahead and cut the excess lace off it. Again, guys, this wig can be worn absolutely glueless. I just wanted to add some hairspray on it so you can see how it looks when you actually spray it down. So I'm going to go ahead and cut the excess lace off. Then I'm going to use some Got2b hairspray and spray the edges where I've cut, and then tie this back down because I really want to get into the curling of the unit. When I do this with the Got2b spray, I like to use my blow dryer on the cool setting and put a little cool air on it so it can kind of cool down the spray, because I do not want it to lift up the lace. So before I tie it down, I like to do that. That also prevents it from getting tacky. Like, you ever tie down your lace and when you're taking the band off, it's sticking to it and it's just messy. Using your blow dryer to cool it down a bit first will prevent that from happening. But let's get into curling up this wig, guys, because it came out looking good straight out the package. But I want to see how it looks when I actually add my own curls into it. What I love is that the hair is actually pre-layered for you as well, so it doesn't matter what style you do, you will always get that extra volume because they've done a good job in layering the unit already. Before I curl though, I wanted to make sure the front is flat, so I used my wax stick again and my hot comb to kind of lay down the top of the unit, make sure I've tamed any flyaways or anything like that, and then I can start curling the unit. With these curls, guys, I'm not doing anything special. I'm just doing some standard curls and just going along parting the hair in sections. What I did though, I didn't really part the sections small. I took like a good chunk of the hair and then I started to curl it. I sprayed with the Got To Be holding spray because that allows your curls to kind of set and hold into place without it feeling stiff. So as I curled a good section of the hair, I just sprayed that down. Now that I've completely curled up the unit, guys, I'm going to go ahead and comb all those curls out. And some of you may be wondering, why even curl it if you're going to comb it out? No, when you comb it out, it gives a nice volume to the unit, but not all that curly, but you still get the waves. I don't know, if you know, you know. But guys, that's it for the installation process. That's all the work that this unit requires, not much. So let's get into the final look and see what we're working with, guys. Guys, I really love this unit. I made sure not to add any baby hairs or anything. The color on it is so beautiful. I love the transition of the color from the top all the way to the ends. The wig is so natural. I don't even want to call it a wig, but it's so natural looking. Even the parting, the hairline itself, the lace has melted into my skin. Absolutely recommend it, guys. So again, the link is in the description, so check that out. And happy 17th anniversary day to RPGSHOW. Check out their website for all the anniversary sales. Love you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.